Hello dear students and welcome back to Caroline Shaji's channel. Now we were studying direct and indirect speech, and in video number 8, in lesson number 8, I mentioned to you that if there is a sentence having the simple past tense, it changes into the past perfect tense in the indirect speech. So the past tense, the simple past tense in the direct speech changes into the past perfect tense in the indirect speech. I also gave you some sentences to solve as a practice. So let's look at the answers. These are the answers. I'm sure that all of you might have got each one of them right. Today, we are going to discuss lesson number 9. And in lesson 9, we are going to talk about how a sentence in the direct speech is going to change into the indirect speech when we have the past continuous tense involved. So please keep it in mind, this is not at all difficult. The past continuous tense in the direct speech is going to change into the past perfect continuous tense. Remember, I told you that always it's going to go one step further. So if it's the present tense, it's going to change into past tense. Now that we are in the past tense, it's going to change into further past tense. Let's give you an example. Ravi said, "We were studying for 2 hours." It's a very simple sentence. Ravi said, "We were studying for 2 hours." Now this is going to change in this way. Ravi said that they had been studying. That is the past perfect continuous tense. They had been studying for 2 hours. Let's take another example. Ravina said she was singing for 8 years. Ravina said she was singing for 8 years. Now in the first sentence I had the word were. Now I have the word was. But remember, it's all going to change into had been plus an ing word. And so Ravina said that she had been singing for 8 years. This is going to be the answer. So all we've got to keep in mind is how the pronoun is changing, and also when there is past continuous tense, it's going to change into the past perfect continuous tense. So as always, I'm giving you just 5 sentences as a practice. Do it and we are surely going to meet again soon. Thank you.
1, 2, 3, 4.